So this is for workout in outdoor. This kind of machine. Look. And we have also here. There's also like a cycling there. This is for cycling there. And we have also there. Oh my god, they have a workout here. Very happy. So now my baby is run away and my husband, so I need to go. We are here in another park. So yeah, see you in my next video. This is the villa over here. There is for workout and for the baby park. This is Al Park for the baby, and we have also a park for workout. So yeah, there you go. As you can see, guys, area for workout. Thank you for watching.